Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna be doing a little get ready with me. First I'm gonna start off with brushing my teeth. We're gonna do that for a little 2 minutes, you know, and then after that I'm gonna go in with my tongue gel with the tongue brush. Get into it, y'all. Yes, do that for like 10 seconds. And then after I do that, I'm gonna take my TheraBreath mouthwash, throw that bitch back like a shot, swish 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 swish, yeah. And then we're gonna wipe our mouth, and then I'm gonna do this macaroon face oil or whatever. It's skin oil for real. Put it all over my face, rub it all over real good. Make sure you get every spot, don't miss. I really don't use this every day, but I probably should for real. It really makes my skin soft. But yeah, we're gonna do that real good. And then we're gonna go back in with our lip scrub so we can get these lips looking soft and plush. Yeah, and then after I go in with my lip scrub, I actually got this from Shein. I'm gonna go in with the lip mask that came with it, and it's gonna make my lips look real shiny. Yeah. After I'm done applying that, I got these lashes from Amazon. I'm going to be putting these on today. I really love these. These are cute as hell, y'all. Shop with Amazon for y'all's lashes, because if I ain't nobody put y'all on, I'm putting y'all on today. Go shop with Amazon for y'all's lashes, period. So I'm going to measure the lash, cut it, apply the glue, and do the same for the other side, and then apply the other side's lash, and then, you know, repeat the process. I be looking funny when I put my lashes on. But you gotta make sure these hoes be sticking. I hate, like, whenever you gotta go somewhere, one lash always won't fuck up every single time. But I ain't going nowhere today, but my eye was watering real bad last night, so it was hard as hell to get on. And I was like, what the fuck? Stick, bitch. I'm gonna put the other one on. And it really don't matter what. Some people put their lashes on different. Some people put them on from the bottom instead of the top. But it really don't matter. As long as they look good, honey, put them on however. Some people do with their fingers or the tweezers. I do tweezers, but get into it. Look at me. Bye, period. Yeah. What you know about it. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and admire myself for a minute, because that's what I do. Pretty as hell, bi ass bitch. Now we finna get this bonnet off, get into these edges, and pop out on them. But yeah, I got this baby wipe. I'm gonna wipe the excess gel off from the day before, go in with the Got To Be. Yeah, and lay them hoes down. Lay them hoes down. Alright, so now I'm finna take it down, and you see, it looks good down, but we finna put this hoe back in two little, however you call it, swing backs. I don't know. It's finna be in a ponytail. Yeah. Period. Yes, ma'am. Get into it. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Bye.